Hello everybody and welcome back to Project Study Buddies. Today, the topic we're going to be talking about is, can we digest chewing gum? So, I think it's common knowledge that we can't digest chewing gum. After all, since young, all our parents have been constantly telling us that chewing gum takes 10 years to go through our entire system. There's no need to question it. It's a fact. But is it? Are our bodies truly incapable of digesting chewing gum? Or is this just another popular Asian parent what's that myth? To answer that, let's zoom into the parts of our digestive system that do the most digesting: the stomach and the duodenum. So you're in class and you've been chewing gum for over an hour, even though it's against the rules. It's fine, you're the background character in popular anime. The main characters have hair the color of the rainbow while you have 2 dots for eyes. Nobody will notice you. But then the teacher starts to walk over, and you get a little confused. You look around and you notice how low the quality of the background is. Oh no, it's a filler episode, which means potential for the background characters to get noticed. The teacher looks like she's getting angrier every second. Without a second thought, you swallowed the gum. Uh-oh. Let's see how your body reacts. Once you have swallowed, it would take the gum 2 to 3 seconds for it to reach your stomach. Here, the gum will have a lovely time swimming in the gastric juice released by the stomach walls. Well, I say lovely, but let me tell you what gastric juice is made up of, so you can decide for yourself just how lovely that would be. Gastric juice is made out of 2 main components: pepsin and hydrochloric acid. Pepsin is an enzyme that breaks down proteins into amino acids, and it has a very low optimum pH. Hence, we enter hydrochloric acid. Not only does the low pH kill off any bacteria by denaturing their enzymes, it also acts as the optimum medium for pepsin to function in. Now you must be thinking, hydrochloric acid? There's no way that gum can survive that. Cute. Gum always contains either a natural or synthetic rubber base to give it that chewy texture we desire. Yes, you heard it right. Rubber. The same stuff that the gloves we wear for protection during labs are made out of. In other words, the gum can survive the acid. Rubber is definitely not a protein, so the gum survives the pepsin as well. So, the gum continues to exist and gets to leave the stomach in a liquid called chyme. Chyme is basically the mixture of gastric juice and food. It leaves through a ring of muscle called the pyloric sphincter, and then proceeds to enter the duodenum. The duodenum is basically just a name for the first section of our small intestines. And here, things really start to get crazy. Pancreatic juice from the pancreas and bile from the gallbladder both flow into the duodenum for digestion. Pancreatic juice is made out of amylase, trypsin, and lipase, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Amylase is used to break down carbohydrates, trypsin is used to break down protein, and lipase is used to break down fats. All 3 of these enzymes do not do well in acidic environments, which is when the sodium hydrogen carbonate comes in. Since it's an alkali, it neutralizes the hydrochloric acid in the chyme to provide a neutral environment, which is the optimal environment for these enzymes. Bile is also alkaline and it helps with neutralizing the acid as well, but that isn't the main purpose of it. What bile does is that it emulsifies large fat globules into smaller fat globules in order to increase surface area. For those who may not know or may not remember, increasing the surface area of anything increases the rate of reaction. Therefore, it speeds up the rate of digestion. Note that this does not chemically change the fat in any way. Hence, just like chewing, bile is a form of mechanical digestion. Now let's get back to our chewy friend. I think you can already guess. Rubber is not a protein, nor is it a fat, nor is it a carbohydrate. So once again, it survives. the rubber gets to live on forever in your intestines. Well, kinda. While chewing gum cannot be digested by our system, it doesn't really stay in there either. In case you haven't tried sticking gum onto a moist surface, it doesn't really stick. And I can assure you the insides of your intestines are very moist. So just like the fiber or anything else you can't digest, it passes through the bowels and will exist within your fecal matter. That's not to say you should go around swallowing gum every day. Too much and it will get stuck. Ever try fitting a basketball into a golf ball hole? Yeah, same concept. But if you do find yourself accidentally swallowing just a bit of gum, don't fret too much. It will join your sewage system soon enough and you'll get to live another day as a background character with trees animated better than you. I do feel bad for the gum though. The hell it has to go through. With that said, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoy and remember to click on the notification bell and the subscribe button. Thank you and have fun studying!